Hello and welcome to looking at the markets with David Modell. Bearish retest and bullish retest of the 20-period exponential moving average, EMA. That's what I want to explain to you today. This can be surprisingly powerful. Look, it does not always work. It is not perfect, okay? But it is something to add to your arsenal of trading tools and strategies. So I'm using tradingview.com right now. I want to give them credit. I want to show you how this works. I'm going to use the Apple daily candlestick chart. Each one of these candlesticks represents 1 day of price action, but everything I'll be saying today in this video can be applied to other time frames such as 1 minute candles, 2 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, whatever it is. All right, but I'm just going to use daily candles as an example. And so as you can see, Apple's stock here is above this blue line, which is the 20 EMA, the 20-period exponential moving average. And I think this is a pretty useful tool here, this blue line, all right? Because notice how, yeah, the candle stayed above it for the most part. It even bounced off of the line here. It really respected that line. And then it broke below it with a red candle here, all right? Now, some people would go short, or they might just sell their stock if they already had a profit. Some people might do that, and that worked out pretty well. It did go down for the next half a dozen candles, really. So that's one way to do it. But if you want something with a little more confidence, a little more conviction, a little more confirmation, then how about this idea? Let it go below the line. Okay, so it's got to be above, and then you watch it go below, and then it comes back up. Okay, the buyers try to push it back up above the line, but they get rejected. That is what that's called, is the bearish retest. Okay, so it went below, came back above, tested that line again like it did back here, right? But first it tested it from above and then fell below it. It was a breakdown. Now it's testing it from below and rejected again. Uh-oh. So that's the bears beating out the bulls. Not just once, but twice now. So that's a retest and failure is what it really is. Rejection of the retest. And that's powerful. Then you get a confirmation candle or two, and then down, 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 right? Look how much deeper, look how much lower it went this second time than the first time that the bulls were rejected, okay? So that is a bearish retest of the 20 EMA. It can be pretty powerful. It does not work every time. It's not 100% perfect. What about a bullish retest? Same stock, same time frame, Apple. Okay, so yeah, the bears are in control for a while. The sellers, the bulls, the buyers tried to push up, didn't work, but this time they got it, right? The buyers, the bidders won, and the bears got rejected. The sellers, the shorts, they got rejected once. Then what happened after that? A retest. Okay, first there was a test from below when the bears were in control, the sellers were in control, but they tested from below, but then there was a breakout, right? And the buyers won, the bulls. But then the bears tried again, the sellers tried again, a retest, this time from above, not from below. Bounced right off of it. Picture perfect right there. And so the bears tried again, the sellers, they retested that line, this time from above, and now they got rejected. And the buyers really stepped in. Look at that. Boom, right? Okay, so that first time that the buyers beat out the sellers there, yeah, that was pretty good, about half a dozen candles once again. But then that second time on the retest, that's when the bigger move happened. And it just kept going. Look at that. Just keeps going and going and going. Until finally, sooner or later, yeah, the sellers take over again. And then it all starts over. a lot of the time. All right. So I hope this is helpful to you. You got your bullish and your bearish retests of the 20 period EMA. Try it out with virtual or demo trading, not with real money, to see if it works for you, and combine it with other strategies, other indicators, and moving averages to see if it could be part of your arsenal and your overall strategy. All right. So again, I want to thank you for watching and listening, and I will talk to you again soon.